All right, Wednesday birthdays today, and we actually have a belated birthday wish going out to Jace Schaub in Franklin, who turned 9 yesterday. Happy birthday, Jace.
All right, Deja Anderson is celebrating birthday number Sweet 16. I can talk. Sweet 16 in Oswego. Happy birthday from Aunt Karen, Mom, and Dad.
Hey, we've all been there before. All right, happy 35th birthday to Ashley Stagner in Joplin. I actually graduated with her, so a very happy birthday to you, and here's to many more ahead.
All right, Justin Schultz celebrating birthday number 43 this year. Justin is in Crestline.
And we've got Debbie Red and Jimmy Pingree. They are twins, both celebrating birthday number 56 today. Happy birthday.
All right, happy birthday, Debbie and Jimmy. And a happy birthday all the way out in Chautauqua, Kansas to Michelle Hildebrand. Hope you have a wonderful day.
And last but certainly not least, we've got Grayson Terrell celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday to all of you, and we want to continue to celebrate your birthdays here on the KOAM Morning News. Tanya, how do they do that?
It's simple. The fastest way to get them on is to email them to either of those two addresses, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And you know what else you can do with your birthday? You can take time to go to our website and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. And here's why. You get special deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a nice happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So all you need to do, it's super simple. You go to KOAMNewsNow.com and then you just sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. So do it today.